Hello everyone, this is Tufik from TechSecurityUSA, located in Seattle, Washington. We are going to be unboxing a special series of the Uniview security cameras. Stay tuned and let's get started.
Hello everyone, welcome back to another unboxing video of the Uniview security cameras. Today we are unboxing one of the Uniview security cameras in the special series. This is a Uniview iBird view security camera, dome style, and so this comes condensed in a box. The model on this is IPC3608SB-ADF, and it comes with an 8 megapixel lens and 1.68 millimeter render distance. As we see over here, the box is pretty different from the other Uniview cameras that we actually unboxed. And this has a little bit of a fancy blue style over here. I really love the style that Uniview put into this. This is actually their original logo from before. We open up this box here actually, and first thing that comes out of it is you're greeted with your instruction booklet. Right over here, you get your drill guide where you're able to mount in the camera. You get a complimentary hex screw, hex wrench. Pulling out the little boxing over here, you get your screws, waterproof joints, and the camera itself. It's as simple as the other Uniview cameras when it comes to unboxing. So over here, when you see the camera, you can notice it's made of very high-grade material, very top of the line. You have the nice Uniview logo up here, and you have nice 8 megapixel lens along with the mic over here, and the speaker is integrated within the camera. Over here, you can go here and configure the camera, reset your settings if needed, and also put in a SD card. And other than that, it's actually very nice shape, very nice dome shape. You got your I/O ports over here for Ethernet and audio connection. If you have any questions about specifics or pricing for this camera, please contact us at 206-787-0224 or visit us at our website at www.techsecurityusa.com. I'm Tufik, and I'll see you in the next one.